Good morning, YouTube. It's your boy Theo with All Nations Racing. Today, change the light bulb out on my 2015 Chevy Silverado crew cab. Third brake light is out, so we're gonna go in. I've got new ones right here. We're gonna replace this one. So let's go. So, tools you're gonna need. That's a T. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a T20. It's right there, T20. These are T20 bolts, torque things. I just got it on a 1/4 inch ratchet here. So let's take this off. Oops, wrong way on the ratchet. I do want to make a disclaimer that I already took out the old light bulb. The old light bulb is out, and I had to see what I needed. So I just loosened it up. I just take the extension. You don't need the extension. You can use a TX. You can use a T20 screwdriver bit. I just happen to have this one available. But these are just unscrew, just like this. All right, we're gonna set that here. We're gonna take the other one, and this is where the ratchet comes in. Okay, put the ratchet on, and we're just gonna break it free. Okay, once it's broken free, I take the ratchet part off. Okay, set that there, and then I just come in here and I just twist this off. Just kind of unscrew it, kind of like a screwdriver. These are fairly long bolts, so we're gonna have to come in and take care of it like that. I'm right-handed, so I'm gonna use my right hand here just to do that. Use my left hand for filming. So this is All Nations Racing YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing. Hope you enjoy some of the content. So I pulled this off earlier today, so it should pop right off. If you can't, just get a trim tool and pop it right off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this clip. This is the main wiring harness clip, and I'm going to just unclip it. Give me 1 sec. All right, to unclip this, push this little tab in, and then you just want to slide it out. So we just two hands there, so just unclipped it. So it's the middle one. These are your two work lights. You can see there's a bulb there, a bulb there, but my middle one is missing because I took those burnt out. So just take your finger or pliers. I think I used a pliers yesterday. But you want to turn it counterclockwise, and then it pops out. Okay, this is burnt up. As you can see, it is kind of burnt there. I did talk with them. They said it should be fine at the dealership, so I did do that. Let me get this new pack open and I'll be right back with you. All right, for those wondering, there are 921s or 912s. They fit both. O'Reilly's had both. These are LEDs. These are on the cheaper end of the LEDs. These are like $20 for the LEDs. I could have got the halogen ones just like this for $6, but I went with a little bit more higher end one. I do have LED headlights, so I kind of went with the LED, third brake light. I'll get to the brake lights in a little bit on that one, on another video. But you can see I'm opening it here with one hand. It's just cardboard, rips open. But I'm hoping these work. I don't have a tester today. I don't have anybody here besides my brother, and he's sleeping because he works third shift. But these are little LEDs on both sides. What you want to do is take them and you just line it up and pop it in there just like that. Okay, so that's how you do that. Now, reassembly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to dangle this right here because I got enough slack I'm going to dangle it here with the main harness and then open my back window and see if it works. So give me 1 second to try that. Alright everyone, well, I got the back window open. And so get back in the truck here. Sorry about the dinging noise. I'm going to undo that since this isn't crucial to have the car running. So I got my back window open, and this little white thing right here, keep an eye on that. Boop, it's on. Off, on, off, on. Said, we've got a success. So, now, for anybody who wants to do it DIY, hopefully this video helps you guys. Oh, get up on the truck. So as you can see, little harness wiring goes into here, along that way, and along, and then this is your top of your roof on the inside, stuff like that. So yeah, so that's this. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to reverse my methods. I'm going to take this, stick it back in here. Oops. You can see the big end here fits the big hole. So you want to just stick it in just like that. And you want to, oh come on, don't fight me. It's fighting me here. Give me a second. Ugh, hate this thing. So you wanna stick the bigger. I can't do this with my hand. All right, so there's it's in there. Give it a nice quarter turn. It clicked in. These are all the same ones. These are all 921s. So I could take this one and I could put these two in here, which I will do, but not today. I just wanted enough in here so that I have working brake lights, because I'm getting sick and tired of getting pulled over by the police for not having a third brake light. And since I do rideshare programs every night, it's kind of crucial that I don't get pulled over with riders. And take your T20 screws, you want to stick them back in there. I usually start them by hand. Here's your T20 screw, stick it back in there. All right, start by hand, and take my handy dandy T20 socket bit and just spin it in there. Okay, and I did put some electric grease on here. With LEDs, I don't need the electric grease on the electrical fittings. So, but then I just take these, tighten them down. Whoopsies, hold on. Tool droppage, we don't want that. So come back in, go right. So I'm right-handed, people. Actually, I'm ambidextrous. I'm left and right-handed, but working with tools is right-handed for me. Just spin it in there, just so. Get it on there. And what I do is I get this nice and snug with the ratchet. You could do this with this T screwdriver too. They do make T20s. It is a, as you can see, T20 Craftsman bit. It actually is the whole socket unit itself, and that's what I used. One tool. So one tool fix on a 2015 Silverado third brake light. Okay, so there you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. It is a 9-minute video. Hopefully you guys get to learn a lot of stuff from that, and hopefully this helps some of you. Thank you for watching Derby Car, because you will get an update. This has been Theo with All Nations Racing Team. This Silverado, that was just flight. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, turn on notifications. If you want to know more of what I do, head over to NEW Vending WI on YouTube. There's also some arcade video plays and bulk vending over there. So thank you for watching. See you guys next time.